don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might.
Hey, good morning. January 30th, 2026. All right. Apple had big news. Crushed it, I guess, but we're still down. Very interesting. Oops, wrong one. Let me get to Mr. Fibs real quick. Let's look at today's news. We had core PPI at 8:30 came in hot. Month over month, everything came in hot. So, but we were already down. So we were making a comeback because we were down over 300 this morning, I think, at one point. So anyway, after that, next news event, 9:45, we got Chicago PMI low on the priority list. And then you got some FOMC members speaking at 12:30 or so. So we're currently biased as mixed, meaning well, I don't know exactly, but let's see, we're below the 20. I know we're below the 20 EMA, but the 20 is still greater than the 50. So until that shifts below, is when we'll get the short signal. Not that it's that important, other than just to kind of give you some context. We're above London midline. Midline's right around here. We're inside prior day range, so we're inside prior day range. The high and the low. That would be, so the low is 25,537, and the high being up there at 26,296. So there you go. I will, oops. I'm gonna have to change this. Gosh darn it. Mr. Fibs. So I will be playing the standard bots this morning. This guy. So let me change over to that screen real quick. There we go. So he's all on. I'm going to keep him on. I keep this up until we go through open for a couple of minutes. All right, let's look at yesterday's. I want to look at yesterday's daily. Yesterday's daily. Today's daily. So you can see on NQ, we had this, I've been talking about it probably, I don't know, since back here. We had this gap fill in the daily. We filled it on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, big gap up and just rejected. So it'll be interesting to see if we fail yesterday's low. Or do we hold up here just to kind of represent the last trading day of the month, you know, to get everybody a warm, fuzzy feeling. Hey, we're still up. Everything's good. Da-da-da. So I don't know that. I don't know what they're going to do. But they came down and bounced right on the 50 in pre-market or overnight action. We're currently above the 20 EMA. So the 20 and the 50, there you go. And we'll see what they do. Do they take us up or do they hold this down here, take us down? All these options. Okay, if I look at ES, this is a little Fibonacci trend line. So potentially, we came up and made on the fifth wave up. We could still go higher. But we'll see. We might come down in order to go higher, or we might just come down. I mean, I don't know. But some potential targets will be the 38.2, somewhere around here. I'd have to throw in the calculation, but, and then, or the 50 or the 618. So we'll see. We'll see what they do. Basically, why do I look at this? Well, this was important. So now that that's filled, I'll probably drop this down a little bit. Get that out of the way. Oops. Yeah, see, I don't like that. But next time we come up, this will be the next place to resistance there. All right. And that's it. That's all I got. You know, if I look at the 15-minute chart, here, let's put it up something like this. So here's today's pivot, 25,0938 and a quarter. And we are below the pivot. We've been below the pivot all night. So that usually tells me something, right? Bottom control, come up and tag it right around 25,916. You know, yep, we could come up there and tag this and then reject or blow up through. So if we're above CPR at 25,960.5, then I'll get bullish. And below here, I stay bearish. You know, on the 15-minute chart, and I would just draw this out. I would do something like this. And say, if we get above that, then I got to get a little bullish move up. So even though we're below the CPR, we got support right here. You can see it held last night. We bounced off it. This morning we came down and explored the bottom, and during the London Open, and bounced again. So there's the support. You guys can read that. And then we have Bull's Last Stand, some support areas down here, as well as yesterday's low at 25,536. So could we come down here and take out the London low? Yep, that would be my guess. But again, no guarantees. But that would be logical. So ideally, I think what I would look for, hopefully, is a move down on the 5-minute chart below the London high, and then maybe fill in some gaps if we get any, and then go on back down. So that's what I'll be looking for this morning. Let's see if we can grab like a 50-pointer or a 100-pointer today. That'd be fun. Although you got to watch it because of, what do you call it? The consistency rule, right? But at least the option is there. At least 50 points. That'd give you 1,000, 55, 60 points would be good. 1,200. That'd still keep you in that 30%, 3K range. Let's go for 60. So I'm running everybody. I got TCS hooked up yesterday. He did not take a trade. The bots, that's this guy. So he's running. And hopefully all these guys are running. Let me just check. Oh, I see. I'm glad I checked. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Huh. Let's put Gunslinger up. Yep, I'm glad I checked that. Sim Suite. And Short Trader. What's that one? TCS. Short Trader hidden. There we go. Well, hopefully I'm set up right now. Safe. All right. All right. That's all I got. Oh, 30 seconds, just in time. Hopefully I'm set up. I've got everything I think set up. I've saved it. Save it one more time. Mr. Fibs, Gunslinger, Bot Suite, Sim Suite. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Now I'm set up. Oh, here we go. Already took a trade and already took some profit. Not much, but a little bit. That was quick. It's the other thing. I got to make sure it's changed. I got to put this to 0. Yeah. I missed a couple points there. All right. Good strong move up. Oh, wow. Really strong move up. That was from 830, almost 100 points straight up. Can't do anything with that. I'm not taking that short. I turned it off. Okay, so I'm going to go to Mr. Fibs now. My screen. Sim under Sim, Mr. Fibs. There we go. All right. All right, good move up. 100 points straight up. Wowzer. Good move up, coming down. Oh, that's the 1 minute chart. Back down. Oh, kind of wacky today. If we come back down below 822, I'll take the short. Now I'm better off just not playing. Just hold on there, big boy. Let's get a 2 minute close above the 20 and we can go from there. Okay, we got 56. So on that 15 minute, we pulled up above that trend line, moved up to bottom control, just like I said. Probably should have taken that short, huh? It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Oh, well, that was ugly. It was just too wacky. Let's slow your roll there, big boy. Okay, we're above the 1 minute weighted. Moving up. Can't play that. Just too big. Oh, TCS says I can play it. Put me in, coach. Should have taken it. I'll take it. Even though it got it, I'm back to break even now. Wow, he was taking way too many there. He took 4. Let's close that. Oh, come on. What the hell's going on here? So I played around this morning with TCS and probably shouldn't have. I'm going to have to turn him off. There we go. And I'll have to play him manually. Yep, I put a bunch of stuff in here. I was trying to get this to go and work it out because I wanted to put trade entries and stuff like that. What time it stopped, what the actual number was. I may have messed something up there, so I'll have to fix him. But okay, he got 23 points. Okay, so entry should have been at 881. Let's see if I can play for 20 and 40. Come on, baby. Get up there. Oh. Okay, I'm going to just let things calm down a little bit. Just let things calm down. They're a little wacky. $78, $88. So it'll be $98. 918 then. Okay, we're coming up the bottom control there at 916, and that seems to be the holder, kind of holding us back. $15 trying to climb up there, 5-minute. Why was I only playing? Let's see. Oh, that's why. Damn it. Mm-hmm. Okay, damn it. Should have held on. There's at 18 for 20. Oh no, that would be 40. So 81, 101, 21. There you go. Son of a biscuit eater. There'll be other trades. Okay, there we go. Pushing on up, we're going to get to today's pivot at 938.25. Keeping an eye on that. Looks like we came up to London high. I believe 804. What was our low there? 805. Didn't quite get there. Yep, just going to be patient here. It's Friday. Guess they wanted to take it up. Can we come back down? See if we can come back down below to get to that whole number. 900. Nope, not going to get there. Took me out. Try again. Oh, didn't want that. Come back above. I'll take it again. So we came up to the pivot, rejected, got back below 916, bottom control. Hopefully this doesn't set up for the short. It's possible. I'll wait for another minute, 15-minute candle will close. Fair value gap. There we go. Okay, we're down at 79. Midnight open is 25,859. I got to correct some of my issues that I had. See if we can get down below the 25-minute 20 EMA. That's what I'm watching. Blue line. And Gunslinger's taking a short. ECS. Come on, let's go. Here, you got a minute on the 2-minute clock. See if we can get below the 5-minute 20 EMA. We came down and hit VWAP. I'm going to come up there to that guy. Let's see if we're going to, how bullish we're going to be here. Oh, we got a new 15. We're going to be bullish. So I'm going to drop him back down. He'll take the stop. Well, let's just leave him there. When I designed Gunslinger originally, that was the stop, was the prior wick or the prior high of the candle. And then after doing some analysis, I said, well, shit, 25 points. If we get there, generally it takes him out anyway. So I'll put him back now. See if we can come back down. Come on, baby. I'd like to get a close below the 20. Let's see. So at this point, just hanging on. We did get a drop down below the 20, pop back up. So my long now will be 889. Oh, and I was not fast enough. I'll take it if we get up back up there. We get to 12. Wow, that was quick. I think I still had the right idea. My little 10-point stops just aren't enough. Another push up back to bottom control at 916. See if we can get a pop above pivot, which is at 938.25. And I'm back to sitting on my hands a little bit. Still, this was the right play. Come back, close back above, take the high right there at 90, 100, 110. There's 20, almost 30 points. Damn it. I just couldn't hold on. But we'll slow down eventually. We'll come back down to reality. ATR's 2 minutes, 36 points. Spy, what are you doing? Okay, SPY is breaking over pre-market high. Oh, yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta go get my phone. I forgot it. All right. Whew. There we go. All right. Okay, so just hanging on. I'm in no hurry. Let HR come down a little bit. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Get rid of you jokers. Oh. Nope. All right. Coming back down to the 20 again. See if we can get a close below, but we're just came back down again to the 858 area. We got 5 minutes left on the 15. So now I will take this one long if we get above 887. Well, let's see how this closes first. 42 seconds left. Just came down to the 48 EMA. Okay, if that candle closes green, then more than likely I will take it long above, well, 93 now. Well, it's just going to keep rising. Five seconds. All right. So I'll take that long there. Oops. Get back, Jack. My cat wanted to come up here. And it's set for 20 points already, so. I'm going to go up to 35, maybe even 40 if we get up there. Okay, that's a 20-point stop. So that would be 900. Wow. All right, I'm going to just stop out right there. ETR's 38, so 40 points. Trying to get a green candle going on the 15-minute. Only got 2 minutes left, so they're going to have to giddy up and go here pretty soon. Otherwise, I might just have to take this stop here. Damn it, 26 points. I always say you can come back from 10-point stops. Coming back from 30-point stops, a little tougher. Okay, where do we go? We went up to 900 and rejected again. So what are we doing here? Well, we're not coming back. We haven't been able to come down below that 20 EMA on the 5-minute. It's been holding strong. We got a minute 20 left on the 15. If they just jack this thing up, I will not be happy. Well, like I said, pre-market, it would be nice to break that trend line and then go up and tag bottom control. Problem is we've tagged it twice now. We're back to VWAP again for the 3rd time, and we're going to break VWAP this time. I'm going to try his fucking short. Yeah. So 774 be as low as I want to go. I'll lock in 10. Whenever I lock in 10, why don't I just take the profit, right? Fuck. Look at that shit. God damn it. Oh, come on. Come back down. Don't tell me you're going to go up and take that gap out. Yep. Damn, I'm on the wrong account too. Nope, they don't want to take it down. I'm breaking all my rules. Come on, baby, stay in the line. TCS. That's what I wanted. Oh. Oh, fuck you. Get your stops out of the way, dumb shit. Then worry about your targets. Okay, 32 and 63. If we get there, he'd be done for the day, that's for sure. 75-point stop. It's a little steep. I can't do 75 points, so. Okay, we'll watch it over here. I'll go back to my Mr. Fibs. Oh, he got taken out. Damn it. If we get back above that trend line, it's not going to be good. Because I'm going to have to take a stop out. Yep. That looks like where we're going.
Inside bar, entry.
Okay, 5-minute inside bars playing out. Okay, TCS 831.
Target filled.
Yeah, this is just crappy. Slappy. 31. All right, we came up and closed a gap up here. So London high. All right, ES is just continuing to go up. We kind of got this little pattern up here on NQ. We come back down, because we didn't even get up to, yeah, we did, 900. So if we come back down, I'll take the 2 short. I doubt if we do, but we could. Wow, look at that, 110-point stop. That's crazy for that guy. What do I actually have it set for? 75. Okay, so he took the stop out. This one has it 2 times. This is a 1.5, I believe. Oh, 2.2 multiplier. We don't want that. And he's at 1.5. Yeah, that's good. There we go. But if we come back down, I'll take it. We're still within the 15-minute opening range. Oh, let me get out of that screen. Sorry. So we came back, blowing up there. 906. Oh, I hit enter at 906. I got in at 919. All right, I give up. Wow. Brutal. Didn't listen to my gut. See what ES is doing. Putting in some big wicks. That's what it's doing. You get shell shocked. Bitcoin down to 83.5. Put in a lower low. Just a little bit. Just swept it. Gold's down $280. Oh. Tesla's up 13. Wait for things to continue to calm down here a little bit. They're already slowing down, which is good for me. I should know better, because when you get a big move up like that on the initial candle, 100 points, or you get a from 940, you get a 130 point 15-minute range. That's when you don't trade. You just stop. You just stop trading. could build that into my bots too. Anything greater than, I don't know, 100 points, 80 points. Let's see. It wouldn't have saved, well, it got the first trade, but it definitely could have saved it on the second trade. Yeah, I tested TCS this morning too on playback. I'm not sure why it's messed up. All right, we got a 15-minute inside bar. Let me see. Yep. So that's what this guy is. Let's go to see if one thing plays right today. There we go. 5 minutes done. Let's see if the 15 can win. He won't take a range unless we get up to 925. Oh, yeah. It's a big candle. So it'll be from 810 to 925. 110 point, 15-minute candle. And so far, the 15 minutes, so this is technically a short. I mean, you could play it as a short. Right? I mean, look at those wicks up there. They're all in a line, lower highs. So one would think we're going to come back down to the bottom there. I don't know. We're into some buy gaps down here. Damn it. Still down 123. ES is down 13. I got a couple of accounts that are doomed or getting close to be. Well, not really. They're down 1,000. I don't want to keep going though. It's like that short's going to play out. Gosh damn it. Son of a bitch. Instead of sitting on my hands, I got my hands tucked underneath my arms. You know, just wait. 26-point trade right there. Maybe right in here. TCS, where you at? Well, he's done. You're capped out anyway, right? Yeah. Back to VWAP. Oh. 3 minutes, 55 seconds left on the 15. Back below VWAP. And 48 would have been my entry. London high is 804.25. Give or take. Is that what I got? Yep, 804. If we would have got back up here, I would have probably taken it at 84.48 right there. See if I can catch one. $76. That's what I'm shooting for. Come on. Got a minute, 10 seconds on the 15. If we can break, man, if we could break that 803, that would be pretty big. We're trying. Tried to lock in 20 there, but I don't have enough room yet.
Inside
right.
bar, entry.
There's the inside bar play. There we go. I'm going to take this off, up 800 on that. Almost got to target there. That's a bummer. Missed it by that much. Fuck. Come on, baby. There we go. Got them both. That's good. All right. All right. Trying to get a little Momo. Okay, so here's that 76. This is the top of the bull zone. 73, right? 73.50. Came down to 72. 70. We're breaking into it. This is going down. You know, our goal will be, I think the goal will be 643. That's the low overnight. All right. We left some gaps up. Let's see if I can get to a spot where, why did my gaps disappear? All right, Bot Sweet had a decent day today. He had a pretty good month, actually. TCS, even though he's done and out, yeah, that's, there we go. Minus 126 is more like it. Okay, got a little bounce off that bull zone. That's what I was worried about. It's 73.50. Okay, if we can come back up here, retest open range, take out a small little gap there up to 815, I will take this short. Oh, don't know if I want it in yet, but I'm in. I'm going to get out the little loss that I plan on making up. Come on, there we go. Oh, come on. Okay, so if we can go back up there and take out 815, I'll take a short at 804. And we'll see if I can I can stay in that trade. Yeah, just take a 20 right now. Come on, baby. A retest of opening range low would be cool too. I'll take either one of those. Oh. 19. Shoot. I'm trying to be patient. I'd like to get 13. 13 to 15. There you go. Come on, push up there. I think I'll move back down, then I'll take it. I want 13, 15, but nothing higher, so we keep that TC gunslinger going. 3. Oh, come on, one more time. Get up there. Okay, so it's a new 15. Oh, I got 10 minutes left. It's not a new one. Oh, too far. Damn you. Let's take out gunslinger. Yeah, he's done for the day. Okay, that's too big for me. Good bounce off of wow. Good bounce off the bull zone. So here's what we saw right there. Look at, that's the number I was looking for. That's where my target was. I wanted it to be a little bit above that 76 I was calling out, because I knew good chance we'd bounce off that. But look at that. Almost 100 points straight up. Wicked. Wicked. Oh. Come down to 59. I'll drop down to 73. See if we can hold there 58. Nope. It's also the 1 minute. VWAP. Nothing holding. Wow. Oh, sucker. Come on, baby. Keep going. Nope. I'll lock in 10. Come on. Go. Another 5 points. Get up there. Took one off, added one, and probably going to get stopped out here. Got to fly. See if we can get above 92. Get above that prior 91. And then got to get above 11, 15, 19. That's where I'm at. I'll lock in 10 whenever I can, so 91. Come on. At least we're staying in ranges a little bit better now. If we can get up to 101, I'll lock in 91. Get above 900, we should have a pretty good sale up to at least 10. Oh, shit. Accidentally deleted that. And if we get to a 10 or 11, I'll lock in 91. I mean 101, 901. Yeah, lock in 99. What the hell? Coming back up to that trend line on the 15-minute I put in earlier. Right there. If we bust up through 916, we could just go all the way. Meaning prior high right around 27. Oops. 26,020. So another 100 points up. We're hanging down 110 points on NASDAQ. We got IB set in place at 940. Oh, damn it. Okay, if we get back above 900, I want it that long. And I'll look for 938. Try to get up there to IB. Get rid of that. Oops. What? Oh. Okay, we got a new 15-minute, 14 minutes left. You could say this is resistance here at 95 up to 935. I think that would be fair to say. Oops, tried to get in a little lower, couldn't do it. So 95 up to 40, roughly, which is session high, right? 40. And then, so 60 is the top of top control. So I'm going to say if we get back up there, we're going to run to at least 60. So I'll go to 57. Could lock in 10. Locking in 20. Come on, one more push up. I got to take the 20. There you go. Okay, another decent trade. Bot Sweet took out 42 points, it looks like, roughly. I still like the move up. I like to move up to 60, actually. Okay, I'm going to take the stop right there if we get there. There's a buy gap right there at 13. If that holds, that'll be great. Oh, come on. No, I'm going to get taken out. Damn it. Come on, buy gap. Nah, I ain't going to hold. You fucker. Okay, I'm going to take a probably a 3 contract at IB. Oh, got back up to 700 that quickly. Buy gaps at 899. Come on, get back down there. Hmm. Come on, get back up there. Let's go. See if my 93 can hold. What's ES doing? Oh, fucker. Oh, you fucker trapped me. I guess I'm the sucker there. I just couldn't get my targets out or my stop up there fast enough. Yep. If you don't know where the traps are, you're in the trap. Okay. I gotta watch it. That 15 minutes not looking the best. Right now it's just adding another. So this is the number 95. I think if I'm going to add for a long, this is where I want to add for a long. But it's not looking so good. Not looking so good, damn it. What do you call it? Code, whatever, barcode. Isn't that what kind of what we're doing here? Let me get rid of this because this is doing no good anymore. But look at that shit. 9:45, 10 o'clock candle, 10:15, 10:30. 6 minutes left on this candle. $54. That's ridiculous. Hmm. Right at midnight open. Wickedness all around. 2 minutes left on the 15. Trying to stay above VWAP. Staying alive, just barely. Okay, I'm going to go short right here. It's not too late. $860. Back to another buy gap. Right here at 832 down to 808. Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason. I can't figure out any rhyme or reason. We got a new 15-minute candle. That's why you get a little push up. Oh, I will honor that stop now. $15-minute short is 822, I think. 824.25. So right here. So if we get down there, I would lock in 10. Well, that was pretty quick. If we can get down to 24. See if we can get that 15-minute candle down there. Come on, baby, get down there. All right. So we are in this range. Probably more something like this. Something probably about like that. Well, we'll just call it the opening range low. Oh, and 2. Not a good month for Gunslinger. Hopefully next month he'll pick it up. Looking for that 15-minute short to play out. We're below VWAP, kind of holding there. We're in the lower part of the range, so it's a tough place to go short. Way too many trades today, John. Way too many. 11 o'clock, still have a 35 ATR. Gosh damn it. That'll be it. Fuck. All right, I'm done. I can't play this. Too much. I'm not man enough. Sorry for the shitty trading today. It happens. But I want to save my accounts for what, you know, what little I got left of them. So, all right. Have a good day. Good luck today. Ciao.